An Azure data engineer is a professional who designs, develops, and maintains data pipelines and systems using Microsoft's Azure Data Platform. This involves working with various data storage and processing technologies such as Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, Azure HD Insight, and Azure SQL Database to extract, transform, and load data from various sources into a unified data platform. The Azure Data Engineer is responsible for designing and implementing efficient and scalable data pipelines and systems that can handle large volumes of data in real-time or batch processing modes. They also need to ensure that the data is secure, compliant with data privacy regulations, and optimized for performance. In addition, an Azure Data Engineer works closely with other members of the data team, including data analysts, data scientists, and business stakeholders, to ensure that the data pipeline and systems meet the business requirements and provide insights that drive business decisions.